It's a beautiful facility. Respect this track the first time you come here. Hey guys, welcome back to the JPM Performance Channel. We are here at the new Ozarks International Raceway. You can see the tech bar, or the garages that start here and go all the way down. Really nice garages. Brand new facility. You can see by looking on the ground behind me that they don't have a lot of grass yet, but the track is amazing. So actually got 2 sessions on the track yesterday, and my first impression was this is the most intimidating track I've ever been on. And I've basically been on almost every racetrack in this country. And first drive was definitely intimidating. Lots of blind corners, huge elevation change. What I wanted to do is go around the facility and show you guys the different corners. I'll show you the map and give you an idea of how much elevation change this track actually has. Let's get after it. All right guys, let's take a quick look at the track map here. You can see that there are 19 corners. This is 3.9 miles around. So I can't get you to every single corner, but I'm going to do my best. I'm actually up here at a pretty good vantage point right now. We are currently right here on the map between turns 12, 13, and 14. So if we look out here, this is about the highest point. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see this, but you can see way out there is the paddock area, and that is where the grid is. And what we are looking at is this section of turns. This is going to be more of a reconnaissance high lookout more than anything, because everything kind of runs together. You can see turns 3 over here, but as it turns back, you'll see the cars will be right here in front of us even. This is turn 11 right here. So we're looking up the hill at turn 10, and then up the hill here obviously is the crest of 12. But I am currently standing right here. So this is a pretty tight corner, but it actually G's up. You hit a bunch of G's going up this hill right here. There's a ton of elevation. Really fast turn 10 over the crest of the hill, down the hill into this braking zone that we're looking at, and then up to 12. And I was just up here is where we took our high vantage point. So just to kind of give you an idea of where we're at, we will move our way over to this dip here between turns 9 and 10 next. Alright guys, this is turn 9 up on this hill. A pretty massive dip, and up to the crest of turn 10 that leads you into where we were just at, into the 11 downhill. These are mainly HPDE cars. I think they're getting their last session in of the day, actually. Guys, here we are looking at turn 8, standing right about here. So in the Miata, this was top of 4th gear, about 111 miles an hour, and I was barely tapping the brake for this right-hander going up the hill over the bridge. Very fast corner. roller coaster section. So even though it looks like it's a straightaway right through here, there's nothing really straight about it. Except you're cresting the hill. Hey, here comes our little limited spot. So, right at the bottom of this second dip, right there. You guys, the car ease out big time. Especially if you're in an old Corvette like that. So this is the bottom of the dip on the second hump on the roller coaster. Alright guys, now we're standing about here at the first hump, looking at the exit of turn 7. This is well over 100 miles going up over that second crest, over 100 miles an hour in pretty much any car. This one here, as you're heading down the hill into turn 1, is start finish, but it's all the way around this last set of corners. But you can see they have a really nice pit lane, lots of area behind, and this is a really fast section heading into a downhill off camber to the left turn 1. This to me is one of the trickiest corners on this track. Make sure that you respect turn 1 until you really warm up to it, because it will bite. So unfortunately, they don't have all of the spectator areas done yet. They're working on them that are going to go all the way around the track for really good spectating. But right now it's still a little rough. I mean, they only just opened this thing up last fall, so can't really get to every part of the track. But I'm sure there's going to be a lot of good in-car video coming out. I'm hoping that we can get some from the Miata. We're running a Garmin Catalyst and for some reason seem to be having a little trouble getting some video. But we'll see what we can pick up on that. But in the meantime, it's a beautiful facility. Respect this track the first time you come here. It's obviously the video's not going to do it justice, you know, the little bit of footage that I'm giving you. But you know, I've been all over, man, and this is a very unique, extreme track. So I think as long as you respect it for the first session or two, and then you learn some of its nuances, you'll be just fine. So that's the end of our weekend here. Let's see if we can get some footage this afternoon and kind of go from there. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.